Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about some irregular but common verb forms. Verb forms are the various ways verbs can be used to show tense, number, gender, voice and mood. In English, there are 5 main verb forms, but today we will only learn 3 of them, that is V1, V2 and V3. So, in the first column, we have the base or bare infinitive first, followed by the simple past or past simple V2 form and the past participle or V3 form in the third column. V1 or base form is the most basic form of the verb as found in dictionaries. It is used in the infinitive, with modal verbs and in the simple present tense for most subjects. V2, that is the past simple tense, is the form that indicate an action completed in the past. For regular verbs, it is usually formed by adding ed to the base form, but irregular verbs have unique past tense forms that we will learn in this video. Next is the V3 or past participle form. This form is used in perfect tenses, in the passive voice and sometimes as an adjective. Regular verbs form their past participle by adding ed, but irregular verbs have unique forms that we will learn subsequently in this video. Now, let's get started with the video. The first verb is go. Its past simple form is went, while its past participle form is gone. Next word is eat. Its past simple form is ate and past participle form is eaten. Next word is come. Its past simple form is came, past participle form is come. Next word is see. Its V2 form is saw and V3 form is seen. Next word is or next verb is write. Its past simple form is wrote and past participle form is written. Next word is speak. Its past simple form is spoke and its past participle form is spoken. Next word is give. Its past simple form is gave and past participle form is given. Next verb is take. Its V2 form is took and V3 form is taken. Next verb is drive. Its V2 form is drove and V3 form is driven. Next verb is break. Its V2 form is broke and V3 form is broken. Next verb is choose. Its V2 form is chose and V3 form is chosen. Next verb is begin. Its V2 form is begin and V3 form is begun. Next verb is drink. Its V2 form is drank and V3 form is drunk. Next verb is swim. Its V2 form is swam and V3 form is swam. Next verb is sing. Its V2 form is sang and V3 form is sung. Next verb is ring. Its V2 form is rang and V3 form is rung. Next verb is fly. Its Past simple form is flew and past participle form is flown. Next verb is grow. Its V2 form is grew and V3 form is grown. Next verb is know. Its V2 form is knew and V3 form is known. Next verb is blow. Its V2 form is blew and V3 form is blown. Next verb is draw. Its V2 form is drew and V3 form is drawn. Next verb is fall. Its V2 form is fell and V3 form is fallen. Next verb is forget. Its V2 form is forgot and V3 form is forgotten. Next verb is hide. Its V2 form is hid and V3 form is hidden. Next verb is ride. Its V2 form is rode and V3 form is ridden. Next verb is shake. Its V2 form is shook and V3 form is shaken. Next verb is steal. Its V2 form is stole and V3 form is stolen. Next verb is throw. Its V2 form is threw and V3 form is thrown. Next verb is wear. Its V2 form is wore and V3 form is worn.